How to know highest boiling point in organic chemistry. Hydrogen bonding is obviously first, harder bonds to break. Next is most electronegative. They stay together more. And then bigger. The bigger the atom or bigger the molecule is way better. I always say bigger is better. Now let's do some practice. As you see in this first A, there's hydrogen bonding in the middle one. The other ones have oxygen, which is electronegative, but hydrogen bonding takes the cake. Next, let's see about size. There's going to be 5, 6, and 7. 7's obviously bigger. The next one obviously has hydrogen bonding. Double bonds don't really matter. Now, the last one, it's harder because fluorine is most electronegative, but here's the thing, bromide is bigger. Bigger is better. In terms of halides, go down the line. Fluorine, then chlorine, then bromide, then iodine. Easy.